The question says a car travels 6 kilometers towards north at an angle of 45 degrees. So let's represent each of the parts separately because the question looks a little long. So we have something like this. Let's say this is east. Now it is traveling 45 degrees north of east. I'll represent it with blue color. Let's say this is first case. It is traveling how many kilometers? 6 kilometers 45 degrees this. I'll call this as vector V. I'll say A, vector A. Alright. And what is the angle? It is 45 degrees. Now the second case, what is happening? It is traveling 135 degrees at an angle of 135 degrees, a distance of 4 kilometers. So something like this. This is vector B. So this distance is 4 kilometers and the angle is 135 degrees. Right? The easiest way of solving this question is I'll find both vectors in ijk form, in the form of unit vectors, and then add them. So I can say vector A equal to, with respect to east, so 6 cos 45 I plus 6 sin 45 j. Right. Similarly, vector B would be equal to 4 cos 45. So this angle would be 45 degrees. It is towards negative. So minus 4 cos 45 I plus 4 sin 45 j. This is what we have. The resultant displacement is A plus B. So that will be equal to 6 minus 4 is 2 cos 45 I plus 6 plus 4 is 10 sin 45 j. This is what is the resultant displacement. So let's find magnitude. Magnitude of A plus B would be equal to under root of 2 cos 45 square plus 10 sin 45 square. Sin 45 or cos 45 is root 2, 1 by root 2. So if I put it that way, I'll get this would become root. So under root of 2 by root 2 whole square, that is root 2 square, that becomes 2, plus 10 by root 2 is 5 root 2, 5 root 2 whole square would be 25 into 2, 50. So the answer for this would be 52 kilometers under root. This is the distance. I want to find angle. So angle is, I have, this is x component and this is y component and this is the vector. If I want to find angle theta, I can write tan theta equal to y by x. What is y here? Y is y component, that is coefficient of j, 10 sin 45. And what is x here? X is 2 cos 45. Cos 45 sin 45 are same, so I'll get tan theta equal to 5 or theta equal to tan inverse 5. So the angle that the resultant displacement makes with the east is tan inverse 5. So let's look at the options. Options would be root 52 kilometers and tan inverse 5. That is option C is the correct answer. Hope you could follow this. Thank you very much.